Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the changing filter edit on CapCut. So you're just going to want to add a clip to CapCut, and I'm just going to go to the place where the video sort of cuts to a different scene. So around over here, click on it and then press split. And then you are going to go to like sort of the end of the clip, and then you are going to press freeze. So click on the clip and find freeze and press it. And then you're going to adjust the time to around 1 second. And then you are going to go to that clip, go to filters, and you can add in the filter you like, maybe like a black and white filter, so you can see the difference. Press the check mark button, and then I'm just gonna do that for this one too. Freeze and have it to around 1 second, and then go to filters, and then just going to go to the black and white filter. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!